Sending data from Chatbot to Google Spreadsheet on Smart Sender. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna, and in this video you will know how to send data from chatbots on Smart Sender to Google Sheets. Like and subscribe to our channel. The first, we need to connect Google Sheets to Smart Sender. On the main console, we can go Integration. Here, connect Google Sheet. Connect. Choose your Google account and confirm. Go down and see we connected my Google account. Now let's imagine the user has to answer a few questions and we need to save them in the Google Sheets. For example, we will ask for age, gender, and city. Our first step is to create a variable. We go section variable and create 3 variables. Clicking the button create, the name first age, the type is number, and continue. Oh, I have this. Okay, age 2 for example, and continue. Create second. Select type is string and continue. I have string too. Okay. I have gender and age. I deleting this variable. And my first it is city. I don't have this custom field, string 2 and continue. It is my variable I created earlier. The next step is to create a Google Spreadsheet on the connected Google account. I go my Google account to Google Drive, click in the menu plus new and create Google Sheets. For example, call it questionnaire. And here we need to add some column. The first one I am going to add is the user ID. ID, for example. Next it is name, the user. Then our 3 columns, it is age, gender and city. Okay, the first 2 columns, it is standard unique variable on Smart Sender. Okay guys, we have done all the preparatory work. Now let's go to Smart Sender. Main console, Smart Messenger, and create our flow. Funnels and create. For example, name, call it Google. Continue. The first step, it is technical step. Here we choose which messenger will be work for this funnel. If you want then this block disappear, click in here. Add, send message. Automatically continue with this block. Now we use user input block. My first question, age. Write your age and maybe add some emoji. Okay. Click in here and choose the type. Our type, it is number. Earlier we create variable that only save number. So if the user don't send number, he will receive this text. Please enter a number and use number only. I editing this text because I want to add example. My text, enter your age only in number, for example 35. Here I need to choose custom field, which I save response user. My custom field it is age, and done. We can continue to select two blocks in a row using input, but I will add a separate block and I will explain why later. I add new block, send message, and here I add user input. My question is gender, your gender. Click in here, select type, it is text. Save response to custom field. My custom field it is gender. And this, you can edit the text if necessary. This is the text the user will get if they write something wrong, like in the example above. Done. Add next user input, it is city. Write your city. Click in here, type it is text, and I send response to custom field city, and done. And so we have created 3 questions. Now we need to send the user answer to Google Sheets. This is where we select block actions, perform actions, and clicking here and choose Google Sheet integrations. Continue. The first 2 items we use when we want to record or update data from Smart Sending in Google Sheet. The second 2 we use when we want to record or update data from Google Sheets in Smart Sender. That is, we can both send data from Smart Sender and receive it. In this video, we will look at sending data from Smart Sender to Google Sheets. Let's select this block, Insert Row, Send Smart Sender data to Google Sheets. Click in here. Now I need to choose my Google Sheets. Clicking, it is my Google Sheets when we created few minutes ago, my Google Drive. Click in here. Now I need to choose Worksheet. What does mean worksheet? Come back on the Google, it is Worksheet, Sheet 1. Come back Smart Sender. Click in here and choose Sheet 1. Now we have the columns of this table displayed on the right side. And on the left, we need to select the name of the custom field that we save the user responses into. The first 2, ID and name, it is standard custom field. I click on this field and select custom field. The first, it is user ID on Smart Center. Next, it is name. It is maybe first name, last name, or full name. For example, full name. Continue. Next, it is custom field which I created few minutes ago in menu variables. Click in here and looking for age custom field. Continue. Gender next. Looking for gender. Continue and city. Choose city. Continue and continue. Now let's connect all block. Automatically continue one send message and second, and automatically continue with this block. Publish and preview. I choose, for example, some Telegram bot. Continue. Start. Write your age, for example, 23. your gender female, and city, for example, London. Go to the Google Sheets. And now I got all the columns filled in. Let's go to the funnel and editing this funnel. Break this line and, for example, copy this perform actions. Automatically continue with this perform action and this. Now I show you why I made two blocks with this message. Because I wanted to explain how the data transfer works. Publish and preview. Choose same Telegram, continue, start. My age, for example, 25. Gender, male, for example. And city, for example, is London. Same. Okay. If you go to Google Sheets, two rows are filled in the Google Sheets. It is my first previously data. It is my second data. Come back on the Smart Sender. If you put block with data transfer after this questionnaire every time, it will fill a new row in the Google Sheets every time. So, if you have a questionnaire or another, the data sending block should be at the end of the all question when I created earlier. I deleted this block and automatically continue with my questionnaire. Now let's change the data. Let's remove the action here and add, for example, next. Perform action, automatically continue, Google Sheet integration, and choose update row. Update Google Sheet with Smart Sender data. Clicking here, choose my Google Sheets questionnaire worksheet, it is Sheets 1, and we need to choose lookup column in Google Sheets. Clicking here, my column, it is ID, it is unique ID, it is unique variables. Clicking here, I choose this column, this data. Come back. On the right, select the name of the custom field on the Smart Sender. It is name, user ID. Yeah, continue. Next, here we choose data Smart Sender. Here we see name Google columns. It is ID, select variable user ID. Next, name. For example, not full name, only first name. Age, it is variable age. Continue, and gender. Here, continue, and choose a city variable. City, and continue. I say again, this is data and name custom field on Smart Sender. This is name columns Google Sheet. This name columns, it is here. Okay, guys. And continue. What we're doing next? I want to update data users on Google Sheets. Publish, preview, select the channel. It is doesn't matter channel. Okay. Previously I used Telegram. Continue. And start. Go to questionnaire Google. Now I have the first row. Years, full name Yuliia Zatsarynna, 23, female and London. Go Telegram and write age, for example 50. Female, it is some Y, for example, and city, it is File, for example. Send. Go to Google Sheets. The first row, change all data. This means that the bot finds the first matching value, and we have chosen that the search goes by user ID, and the data is updated exactly in the first found line. Below the words are not updated, only the first found one. Okay friends, this is a how-to integration of Smart Center chatbot with Google Sheets works. Today we have seen how to send data from Smart Center to Google Sheets and also how to update the data in Google Sheets. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss new lesson on how to effective building sales funnels on Smart Center platform. See you soon guys, bye!